So I'm back. I thought I would show you another quick and easy recipe. I'm Gretchen, and this is my YouTube channel. Welcome back if you're one of my viewers and subscribers. Thank you. If not, welcome. And I like to give or share some of my personal tips and tricks about, making quick and easy healthy meals. I don't buy store-bought products like cookies and crackers. I'm disciplined myself to make them at home. It's cheaper and healthier, and that's the way I like to do it. So you can make some very tasty sweet potato fries with sweet potatoes and an air fryer, which I will show you how I do that. This is my trusty little air fryer that I've had for quite a while. It's very basic and very little because I live in a tiny home, so I have a tiny air fryer. It works great for making sweet potato fries, and I've started to cut them up, and I will finish doing that and demonstrate how I make these for you. I hope you enjoy them and maybe make use of this. Okay, so I'm cutting up the sweet potatoes into sections and into strips. Whoops, that one's rolling away. Silly thing. And then put them right in here. See, they're cut into nice strips. Sometimes I steam the sweet potatoes first, and that makes them easier to cut and doesn't take as long to fry them, but it works. You can do it with raw ones also. I don't feel like going through that process or waiting for the steam to happen. I just do it this way. Piece. Okay, there are the cut sweet potatoes. And now we will add the seasoning. So first I use some salt. Oh, actually, first I'm supposed to put the oil. Kristen, put the oil in first, because nothing sticks to it without the oil. So we actually start with the olive oil. I use quite a bit of oil. Sometimes I pour a little too much. Here is some salt. garlic. Let me get a little more light in here. There's the garlic that I'm using. And just kind of toss them around in the oil and seasoning. And pepper, some black pepper. Get a little greasy. I like to put turmeric. Some people call it turmeric, whatever. It's great for reducing inflammation, so I use this in a lot of my foods. And because it's food-based, food grade, you need a lot because it takes a lot for your body to absorb. Body doesn't, that's what I learned in my nutrition education. Nutritional yeast. I use nutritional yeast. I like lots. It's sort of a cheesy flavor that gives kind of a cheesy flavor with, it has a mixture of seasonings in it. And now it goes in the air fryer. Here's the basket for my air fryer. It's a little dirty in there. I had spring rolls in there last night. The nice thing about air fryers are all that oil will go to the bottom of the air fryer, so you don't actually end up eating the oil or consuming all the oil. Okay, so there are the sweet potato fries all ready in the air fryer. And then they can just go into the air fryer. And I need to open my window because the back of the air fryer gets very hot. So I'm going to set that, and okay, so the air fryer has stopped, and I am just gonna kind of move them around a little bit. Turn them on for a little bit longer. They need a little bit longer to fry, and then they should be done. Okay, there's the finished product. There are the sweet potato fries. They're soft with a little bit of crispy on the edges. And those are going to taste very good. And for a dip, I usually make myself a dip out of with mayonnaise, little ketchup and seasoning, but today I decided I wanted to use this Green Goddess dressing. I get this dressing and it tastes good with just about anything. So that's what I'm going to use today. I will dish this up. I have these cute little grabbers I got at the thrift store for like $1. They work great. There, there's sweet potato fries. They're not greasy or oily. And put that away. And we'll go enjoy these fries. And there is my afternoon snack of sweet potato fries and my little dressing dip.
For a super captivating
While I'm
video,
watching my
this
YouTube
is definitely
videos,
not the
I'm going
one.
to kick back and eat
I woke
my
up this morning, my
snack.
last day here at Ray Outfitted,
On a gloomy
and we're
day
starting
in
this
Santa
one
Cruz.
with doing laundry. We're already off to a captivating start.
On a gloomy day in Santa Cruz. You can see that it's bright but not very clear because it is kind of a foggy, overcast day here in Santa Cruz. So I'm hanging out with the animals. There's my pups and my kitty cat. I hope you enjoyed this little snippet of information about sweet potato fries and random stuff. I'm a little bored today, so I thought I'd share my snack and my gloomy afternoon with all of you. I hope you have a great day, and please like and subscribe. It really helps out my channel so I can afford some upgrades on equipment and have better videos and maybe better editing software. I would really love it. Thank you so much.